A state lawmaker said at least 4 children died in Aweil North County of northern Bahr el Ghazal state in 2 months' time due to hunger-related causes. William Weldeng, member of the state parliament representing the area, said the victims were mostly children of SSPDF and those from struggling families. The deceased children, identified only as Adija, Ador, Juma, and Akat, all aged below 10 years. They died between July 9 and August 3 in the areas of Khair Adem, Mayam Kul and Mathar Ku in Aweil North County. In Aweil North headquarter, Guak Macher, on the 9th of July, a son of SSPDF soldier passed away because of starvation, while his mother left the house looking for food. Again, on 16th of July another daughter of SSPDF, she is 5 years old, passed away, said the lawmaker. Also, on date 27 of July another child aged 7 passed away. And the last case happened in area called Matter on the 3rd of August, so all this incident of starvation happened between July and August. Deng is calling on humanitarian agency to intervene, saying the flooding has exacerbated the hunger situation in the state. I am appealing to non-governmental organization so that they can intervene and rescue the people who need food. Also, there are some disasters that are increasing now regarding the flood, crops are destroyed. Most of the enrich currently in Aweil North and in parts of Aweil West. Food insecurity in South Sudan has reached the most extreme levels since independence in 2011, according to the UN's food agency WFP. Rising prices on the world market, impacts of climate change and the pandemic are believed to be the major factors worsening the situation for 7.7 million people that the UN say are unable to feed themselves. The situation is also dire across the country as 8.3 million people, 75% of the population, are facing severe food insecurity.